camera got damaged and I thought that was the end. But DJI did something I didn't expect at all. I was shocked. Yeah. If you own a DJI and you don't have a DJI Refresh Care, I don't know what you're doing. So I had a little camera scare. My DJI camera was purchased sometime last year. So I activated it and I didn't even realize I was meant to get like a DJI Care. So I think I stumbled on someone's TikTok and I said, oops, I haven't done this. So I tried doing it, but it kept rejecting it. So I contacted DJI and they helped me out because it was still within 30 days. So they gave me some things like specifications of what to do, which I did, and I was able to purchase a 2-year care. Shortly after, I didn't realize that my camera was going to stop working. So my SD card stopped staying in the slot for some reason. I didn't understand what was happening. I thought I damaged my camera. I was so scared. I tried different things. I purchased a new SD card. Nothing was working. And yeah, I sent it to DJI for repair, and what happened actually shocked me. So I filled in the form, I followed the process, and I sent it back. And when it got to DJI, I could track the service, the repair progress on a particular site. So DJI said it wasn't a user manual error, and DJI replaced my camera. I was shocked. Yes. DJI basically replaced my camera. I wasn't expecting this at all because I was expecting that, oh, probably I might have to pay, I might have to be questioned and all of that, because suddenly the SD card just stopped staying in the slot and I didn't know what exactly was the problem. They replaced my camera. I'm going to be showing you my new camera now. Okay. So here is the box. So I use this box to send my DJI back. No, I think this was not the box. I didn't use this box, but it was a similar box I sent back. Sending it back, I wrapped it with a bubble wrap. I wrote a note because they're going to give you like a case reference number, which I did, and I sent it back. So I think the office which I sent it back was the one at Nottingham. And yeah, I sent it back with my full creator box. With this box, and some of my fragile tape which came back with it. I was honestly wondering, did they replace it? Why am I receiving the same box? So I opened it because I was curious, and I realized that, yeah, this was it. They changed the camera because this was the problem. Yeah, DJI replaced my camera because it wasn't my fault, so they replaced it. Honestly, this is so shocking. So I'm going to be unboxing it for you guys now. I'm so lazy to go get like a cutter, so I'm just going to be using my nails to open it, which I already did. And you guys won't believe that DJI actually called me a few days later to ask if I have gotten my package, if I have tested the camera, if anything was wrong with the camera. But I told them I haven't opened it yet because I've been busy, and the reason why I didn't open it was because I wanted to make a video for you guys. So the care representative who called me had said he was going to send me a mail, and when I unbox it, I should give them a feedback of whatever I think the problem is, which is what I'm going to be doing. So this is my new camera from DJI, but what I don't know is if my serial number is going to be the same. I'm going to reach out and clarify that, because on your DJI Care Refresh there's a serial number with the camera, so that has changed. So I need to know if how I'm going to like interchange them, because my serial number has changed from the one I oh wow, so I have two of this now. Look, I have two of this. Isn't DJI so beautiful? A new camera. Wow, look at that. And yep, this is all new. Yeah, of course I want English. Yep. So let's just select English. Oh, I have to like connect to the DJI all of those things. If you own a DJI, you understand what I'm saying. But yeah, I'm going to test this and I'll try all of it, and I'll insert a new SD card, and I'm going to let you guys know if this actually works. So I think I've got my phone somewhere. Yeah, this is my phone. I have the DJI Memo app. Let's go to the DJI Memo app and I'm going to try to connect it. I will insert my SD card and I'll see if it actually works. Yeah. So guys, I've inserted the SD card and it's perfectly working well. SD card has been inserted and there is no problem. There is no problem at the moment. I hope there won't be any problem. So I'm going to give my feedback and I'm going to confirm with DJI if my serial number stands or how I'm going to swap it to fit my Care Refresh. Yeah, I'm just so grateful that everything was smooth, the process was smooth, the return was smooth, my camera was replaced without any hassle. If you're a content creator and you're thinking of getting the DJI camera, my advice for you is to get the DJI Care Refresh because that's going to save you when you have camera issues. That honestly saved me. DJI replaced my camera for free. I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.